Snow hacks!
Okay, we got
let's
some
see.
pizza
Oh,
snow. All
what
right.
a cake is this?
Ooh, okay. What is that? Is that
Just to
foam?
make it warmer,
Oh,
you know?
some
Keep-
insulation, adding some heat.
It's kind of weird.
Ah, they're making a little ice rink. It's a little small. I feel like you couldn't really do it. Whoa!
Oh, look at this.
I'd be on my
I can
face.
imagine how, if you spend more time there running around,
Yeah.
I think it would be not nice for you.
No. We got ice blocks. They're making an igloo, it looks like. Yeah.
Oh boy,
Cool.
I love it.
You know how that works, right? Like, if you put the fire inside, then it basically melts the inside, but
Yeah.
it makes the outside stronger, which is kind of neat.
I always wanted such a thing in my childhood. That
Yeah, I
Look
don't
at
think
this.
I've never been able to go to those
Exactly.
efforts.
so
Wow.
many efforts. Wow. Okay, nice.
Those are really, it's for some reason like clean ice, see-through
Yeah.
ice is really satisfying. LEDs. Okay.
Yeah, it should be nice.
I guess they're waterproof.
Wow, looks
Hey,
awesome.
that looks
Nice.
cool.
But
Okay.
why it didn't show the top part of this?
They did because it wasn't made of ice. I guess they just put on something.
Okay.
We got some candles. We got some umbrella.
To warm up.
Heat up your apartment. Also a fire hazard, so maybe not.
Be careful with
Let's put
it.
this cloth over this fire.
But it should work, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So
Wait a second.
she tossed away the baby and she warmed herself up. That's selfish.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah. Okay, a little legging hack. Alright, we're walking in. Cold wind coming from the below. So okay. What are we doing?
Just destroying something.
Just
That's
destroy all of your belongings
Yeah.
to make these cool hacks. Hey, that's kind of cool.
That's kind of cool. Yeah.
I like it. Also a fire hazard. Beware. Leave the oven open. No! Don't leave the oven open!
I'm not sure this is a good idea.
No.
So, what is this? They just...
That
they
was with
zipped, yeah?
yeah.
Thing. Okay.
Cool.
Good warm up. Yeah.
Opa, little Madonna moment, or what's Marilyn Monroe moment.
Marilyn Monroe, yeah. So, oh! No way it worked like so.
Is that like a pasta? What was that?
I didn't. So, to warm up your log. Okay.
Nice.
I also know that you can warm it up with a lighter.
Yeah, you could just do that as
And
well.
put it
That'd be
there.
pretty easy. Okay, so this is okay.
Socks on your wipers?
So if your wipers aren't working, just put socks on them. Apparently, so they don't ice over. That makes sense, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay. I've seen this one before.
To make protection, right?
Yeah, prevents icing, and that's also for making sure it's more see-through and stuff, so fog doesn't come. Oh no! I can't hold my phone with my mittens. I'll just glue my phone to my mittens. That's really special.
So what do you do? Like so, Flynn?
Yep, yeah.
Just to
that's good.
stuck to your phone,
Don't-
we usually with the phone, yeah, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So not a big difference.
Yeah, I don't use my hands for anything besides my phone, so I'll just
Yeah.
two
At
phones.
least you'll not lose it.
Okay, some nice chapstick.
Okay. So
I
what's
feel like that just is
Glue
common
it?
sense using chapstick so you're you
Uh-huh.
know, don't get rough lips.
Okay. That's what I need.
Are we making? Oh, it's the sole for the shoe.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Okay.
Warm feet. Yeah.
That works. I mean, obviously.
Yeah. Glue on the bottom of your shoe and sand.
Wow, that's
Wow.
clever actually.
Yeah?
That's,
I
I
guess-
mean, usually they put sand on the ice on
Yeah,
the
or
road
like
or
salt,
something.
yeah.
Salt, sand.
Oh, is that Doc?
What?
I think that's Doc.
I missed it.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's his hands. Famous.
That's
Doc
why
hands.
he is not with us today.
Yeah, exactly. He's
there.
filming this thing. Yeah.
Went back to the Five Minute Crafts.
Pool
Okay.
noodle. Okay.
uh,
Ruin your pool noodle. What are we ruining it for?
to protect another pipe.
Okay.
What is this pipe from?
Yeah. What is that for?
Uh,
I don't see the point in that one at all. Actually.
I didn't get it as well.
Oh no, it's windy. You can feel it through the cracks in the window. What do we do?
Okay, just glue it.
Just glue it. Glue your whole window shut.
you can
Never
use a
open it
glue gun
again.
and put everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. Cover your whole house in glue.
Yeah.
And it prevents anything from happening because now you're stuck.
No chance to breathe some
No.
fresh
not at
air,
all.
but at least you're warm.
Putting a thermal package over your air conditioning unit. What do you think about that?
I have not. What is that for? I mean,
I don't really
just
know.
Do not lose it.
To not lose any heat, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, just use.
And now it's getting hotter.
hotter.
I guess.
I like.
I like the idea for windows, I guess, to put the thermal thing over if it's
Yeah.
really cold. Like if you can't live there, then yeah, obviously you need to do something. But ruin your blankets. I feel like that wasn't necessary. Now we have some toilet paper in a can.
What alcohol?
It was alcohol, yeah.
Yeah.
Fire hazard. Okay. Definitely a fire hazard. This whole video is like,
Yes,
okay,
yes,
chill out.
yes. Just
Firemen watch
fire.
this and just like, oh my gosh.
Fire is where the warm from. So
Yeah.
of course.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So they put something on their fingers so they could
There's
use the
special
touchscreen.
thread for it.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
You know, you can actually move your smartphone with metal, like any metal, basically. That's
No way.
yeah,
Any metal?
Yeah, basically any metal you can just use and swipe on your smartphone. Probably not good for
Test it.
scratches. Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. Even if the metal is cold, it's still gonna
Yeah, it's still, even if the metal's cold, it's something with the, I don't know, like maybe if it has to be magnetic. I'm not sure. So,
Oh, okay.
but I've tested it before at home.
I'll believe you.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
So, just
It's a nice little shawl scarf thing going on.
okay. Some fashion around.
A little fashion for
Yeah.
winter, yeah.
Okie dokie.
You got wet shoes? No problem. You got glue. Cover your shoes in glue. Cover your life in glue.
Yes. Use a foam for it. You know, the first fact was about it.
So they basically put their hairdryer into
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
the shoe to warm it up and get rid of the wetness. Yeah. But I feel like that's actually really expensive to use your hairdryer for that long. So
And I'm not sure if it's safe enough. I mean, you should be close to these shoes.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
you shouldn't live like so.
no,
I mean,
no. Yeah, don't
yeah,
leave your
be
house with
careful.
your hairdryer on your shoes on the ground.
Yes, it could. Yeah, actually. Especially on the carpet.
Yeah, no, don't do this.
Yeah.
Okay, we're learning so much with 5-minute crafts.
Okay.
Hot water. Oh, that
water.
is actually kind of cool. Warm up your shoes before you go out.
Okay. Nice.
Kind of cute.
Okay.
Oh no, my gloves don't work again. Cut out holes in my gloves. Fingerless gloves.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
That's kind of cute.
Just to rub it up your finger.
I don't know. I don't know about that one. It just doesn't look that good.
But still works, I guess.
Okay, what are we doing with this sock? We're putting rice in the
Rice?
sock. I always put
Yeah.
rice in my socks. It's actually very refreshing. But now we have a bag of rice.
So,
Put it in the microwave.
okay. Because rice can keep warm for a long time.
So it's like a thermal little thing. That's cute.
Okay.
You lost one glove?
What?
No problem. Cut your gloves in half, and now you have 2 half gloves.
Exactly. It's sack from my childhood, actually. It
Yeah,
always
where
was
you
like
tie
so.
it to your coat.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's on. I think that's actually built into most like kids' clothes
Yeah.
or like coats.
Just do not lose them.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
If
an
you're
alcohol.
adult and you lose your,
Gloves,
your
then that's kind of
vest,
on
yeah.
you. That's your fault.
That's-
You're adulting wrong.
it'll look funny, but
Might be a new style. You might start a new trend.
yeah.
Okay, we're cleaning a window with some. It was with alcohol. Apparently, you can clean your window with ice from ice.
Okay, okay.
Glue. Why?
Of course, nothing happened without glue gun here.
No, it's a really
Oh!
awful mitten. That's what happens if you lose one of your gloves. Just glue your
Yeah.
socks. Now you have no socks. Now your feet are cold.
Yeah.
You want to go home, but your wife's upset with you, so you can't go home. You can never go home again. Not after what you did.
No. So just cover.
Okay, we're getting some tin foil. That's a good insulator. I mean, but it looks super uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Frozen car lock, no problem. Put some hand sanitizer over that puppy.
But you missed everything. I mean, nothing went inside the log.
That's true.
But I guess
Oh no, the windshield wipers aren't working again.
they stuck.
Yeah,
Oh, because the ice.
yeah.
Okay.
So this is where we sock it. This is where we
Okay.
put the sock over it.
We saw
Okay.
this.
Yeah, we
before.
did see this.
Yeah. Okay. Well, repeat.
I don't know.
Okay.
All right. So we have a windy day,
Yep.
and look at that.
Oh, that was protected.
And now it works like a charm.
Oh, Doc!
What are you doing, Doc?
There.
Ah,
Oh, he's cold.
he's cold. Doc's cold. Guys, send help
Yeah.
for Doc.
He actually feels sick.
That's a cool
yeah.
little heater. Yeah, nice.
Okay, nice.
Oh, poor Doc.
Give
Give us more reactions.
More.